How to read first 10 lines of a file? We have a large raw data file that we would like to trim to a specified size. How would I go about getting the first 10 lines of a text file in Python? Will the OS being used have any effect on the implementation?
Python 3, Python 2. Here's another way, both Python 2 and 3.
If you want to read the first lines quickly and you don't care about performance, you can use .readlines, which returns list object, and then slice the list. For example, for the first 5 lines. Note, the whole file is read, so is not the best from the performance point of view, but it is easy to use, fast to write and easy to remember, so if you want just perform some one-time calculation is very convenient. One advantage compared to the other answers is the possibility to select easily the range of lines, for example skipping the first 10 lines, 10 column 30, or the last 10, column -10, or taking only even lines, column 2.
What I do is to call the n lines using pandas. I think the performance is not the best, but for example if n equals 1000. There is no specific method to read number of lines exposed by file object. I guess the easiest way would be following.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.